Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Wise account to receive money in the Philippines so you can start managing your finances easily and securely. So let's get started. First, you want to make sure that you're on their website, wise.com, and then choose sign up. From here, just enter your email address. Once you've entered your email address, it will look like this. Now, you want to choose personal account since we're focusing on setting up Wise for individual use, perfect for freelancers, remote workers, or anyone receiving payments personally. Then from here, you want to choose Philippines as your country or region. Just type in here, Philippines. There we go. Then click on continue to move forward. You'll now be asked to, from here, first you want to hit again on continue. Then there we go. From here, it'll ask to verify your phone number. So just go ahead and enter your local phone number, right? And after the verification process, just follow the prompts to create a strong password for your account. And this keeps your money safe. And once that's done, you can log in using your new email and password combo. Now, for the most important step, setting up your PHP balance, or Philippine peso balance, so you can receive money in pesos on your Wise dashboard. Just look for the plus icon and click it, then choose open balance, select Philippine peso from the list. And basically, that's it. You've successfully set up your Wise account in the Philippines and open up your PHP balance. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.